Huh. 1 a.m. I'm not gonna lie. Huh. Yo, I'm gonna put him. I'm gonna put him at good. I like his music. He definitely got room for improvement though. It could be better. I don't know why I still got this right. It could be better. He got room for improvement. Huh. Yeah, I'm gonna keep him at good. I don't really listen to them no more. It was Autumn, bruh. Autumn, nah, Autumn used to, bruh, his music used to hit. I don't know no more though. I'm just go based off of. I'm gonna say good. It used to hit. It used to be like hit or miss. I'm gonna be honest. Baby Santana, yo, Baby Santana, he getting better. He getting better, bruh. He got so much better. I genuinely think very good though. Nah. You know what? I'm gonna put this right here. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna put it okay instead. Baby Santana got so much better. I don't really listen to Baby Tron's not bad. I mean, I don't really listen to him, but I've heard some songs, but he's not bad. I'm just doing people that I really listen to. I don't think I should just do people I know of. Like, I know some people on here, but I don't listen to them. I'm just do people I listen to. I like his music. Che, yeah. Nah, that the last album he had, and the leaks I've been hearing for his new album sound crazy. Che definitely evolved a lot. Like, I really like his new music. I'm gonna put very good though. I'm not gonna do like near flawless or GOAT because he definitely do need some work. Like, it's fire. Like, his music is tough, but it need work though. Like, I don't think it could go mainstream like with that sound. I don't know how to explain it. Is it done? I used to listen to him like back. I don't listen to bro no more. Destroy Lonely. He playing right now. Bro, I'm not gonna lie. I don't know. I'm gonna be honest. If you no style is long, I'm gonna probably put him at near flawless. I don't care. Call it meat right. I don't care. Call it meat right. I don't care, bro. Like, but the music he been dropping lately, bro, is mid. Like, if we go like, oh my god, it's just everything he been dropping is mid. I didn't like his last album that much, bro. I'm gonna be honest. Like, yeah, I don't care, bro. Well, as a whole, okay, you know what? Matter of fact, I'm not gonna base it off of like just recent music. I'm gonna just do it as a whole. I'm gonna say right here, very good. I'm gonna say very good. Okay, how about this? No. I'm gonna redo this. I'm gonna put this right here. I'm gonna do very good. The reason I'm doing that is because the recent songs you've been dropping, I'm not messing with them, but I'm not gonna just do like recent albums or recent songs and then forget about all the rest of their music. But I'm gonna say very good. Huh. Let me see who else. I think I have 2 songs on my playlist. I'm gonna say okay. Like, he get a lot of hate, but he's not bad, bro. He's not bad, in my opinion. D Savage. I'm gonna do very good. I got a lot of his music on my playlist too. What the? Who is this nigga? Why is this his name? Why is this his name? Wap Kane. Oh wait. Do very good. Huh. Look at this guy. Who do you see, bro? Let me send me the. I'm off it. I need a 540. Okay. My opinion on my honest opinion is that if he like do different flows, I'm gonna be honest, he does sometimes have the same flow, but yeah, he have the same flow on his music. I'm sorry, I just gotta say that if he switch up his flow a little bit, I gotta hear when he switch up his flow. He got the same two flows. Like when he do like the little melodic thing and then like he do the same flow, like the fast rap kind of. I don't know how to explain it, bro. But if he switch up his flow, maybe higher. I gotta hear him with different flows, bro. It's the same flow over and over. Coolin' with a thought and it's early. I know you can smell me. And it's so smelly. I don't know. Oh, hard rock. I'm sorry. I don't listen to hard rock no more either. But he okay. He okay. Well, I do. I got two or three songs on my playlist. Don't know how much bro. Okay. I'm gonna just put these two together because I think every song is them together. I don't have any songs of them separately. And in my opinion, dang, because they do have some songs that are tough and then some that are just like, bro. I'm gonna say okay too. They not bad. And nah, he's tough. He's tough though. He's tough. Is near flawless meat writing though? I don't know if putting near flawless is meat writing. Because he low key, bro, he is tough. He's on a crazy run right now. I don't know if I should do. Oh, is that crazy? I don't know, bro. I'm gonna say near flawless. I don't care. His music is tough. Like, he got some crazy songs. So far, he on a good run. That's what I'm saying. That's why I did near flawless. Like, and he basically just started still. Jace. Nah, he be going crazy in Mac Song Wars though. I'm up. His music don't hit as much as it used to either, but I'm gonna put it good. Jay's. Oh my god, what even happened to him, bro? Bro, like, I don't know what's going on, bro. OJ's, you know what's funny? OJ's I would have probably put at very good. But like, I don't know, bro. Actually, you know what? I did say that. I did say I'm not just gonna look at new recent music as a whole. I say very good. Even though I mainly only listen to his older music. I'm gonna be honest. I don't know what bro got going on though right now. I don't know. I don't know what bro got going on. Huh. Oh my god. Can JTG. I'm put here too. Dang, I didn't, bro. I don't got nobody. Oh, it's right here. Don't know, don't listen, bro. I should just go in order. Oh my god, I'm so stupid. I should have been just going in order. Don't know. Boom. I'm just do this. This is way easier. I should have been doing this the whole time. Even though I do know who some of these people are, I don't really like listen to them though. Oh, BK. Huh. I would do good. She got some crazy songs though. I don't know who that is. Please, nah, I don't listen to bro. I don't listen to him. No. I know who this is, but no. I don't like Coaches. I'm sorry. I don't know. I just don't like that. Like the baby voice thing is, I don't like it no more. Have stacks. Okay. I only know, I never really gave him a chance, but I do have 2 songs on my playlist. I never actually like searched his name up and like listen to his music. So based off the 2 songs though, I'ma say okay. Based off the 2 songs, I have no idea who that is. What is this name, bruh? Huh. Yo, oh my god, who are these people? Hey, no offense, I don't know who a lot of these people are though. There's mad people on here I don't know. Can. I stopped listening to Can too. I'ma say okay. I don't got nobody in mid or bad. Yeah. Careful. I mean, it's not my type of music. I'ma say mid. I'm sorry. It's just not. I don't really catch on me. Oh my god, he fell off like crazy, but based off his old music, it's okay. Based off his old music. Ken Carson, near flawless. Ken is on a crazy run too, near flawless, 100%. Now, should I do GOAT though? I'm not gonna lie. I might do GOAT. I'm doing GOAT. And actually, I'm moving Lone up to near flawless. Because now that I think about it, I feel like his album was not bad. I just don't, the beats was kind of mid. I think Lone is kind of like, I feel like he's evolving in a good way. It's more mainstream. That's good. That could be a good and bad thing though. I'm actually put him near flawless. And Ken is gonna be GOAT. Don't know. Okay, so I know who this is, but I don't know this one. I have 2 songs by him on my playlist. Based off those 2 songs, I'm gonna say good. Based off those 2 songs. Nah, this is Nah, see, I used to play him. You know what though? Like I feel like he's good, but he does need work on it in some ways. I don't know. Huh? Very good, very good. I say very good. Don't know. Laser dim. Laser dim music be hitting, but if he just, bro, if he changed his beats up, like, I don't know. I'm gonna put him at very good. Nah, I'm gonna do good. I don't know. If he, I don't know. I don't really listen to them either. No. I don't listen to Lil Tony. No. Lucky. You playing right now? Ooh, near flawless. I can't, bruh. I can't. Where'd you get this idea from? I had it from you. You thought I was gonna say that I didn't get it from you? I got it from you. I appreciate it, baby, bro. I got it from you. Since I tried to do a try not to laugh with water in my mouth. None of those videos are funny. Bro. Like, they're just not funny. I don't know how people laugh at those, bro. I don't listen to him. Nope. Don't listen to him. Did I listen? Nah, I don't listen to him. Molly Santana. Huh. Oh my god. That song that she dropped that sound like Uzi, that song is tough. Oh my god, that song is tough. I don't care. I'm doing very good. I like her music. That song is tough too. I cannot wait for that song to drop. That she made. It sounds just like old Uzi. That's man. Huh. Gotta do IG Reels. I'm gonna try it. I think I spent like 40 minutes just looking for a video. Yo, Nesmith is not that bad, bro. He's not that bad. I'll be honest, Nesmith is not that bad, bro. I don't listen to him. No, Osen. I'm gonna put him here too. He got room for improvement. Him? Okay, in all honesty, I think I have one song on my playlist by him. I'm gonna say okay, based off that one song. Osama son. Osama son, yo. Alright. Now this might be crazy. I don't care though. Near flawless. I don't care. This is near flawless in my opinion. I don't care. Osama son, like, he don't miss. I mean, okay, in his last album it was some misses, but all of his music is tough in my opinion. Like, he rarely misses in my opinion. That's my honest opinion. That's why I'm putting this near flawless. I don't care. I feel like, nah, I'm not gonna put Che higher. I don't know. I'm not gonna put him higher. Oh my god, I forgot about him. I forgot all about him, bro. I mean, I don't listen to him no more, so might as well put that right here. No, no, no. Rich Hamiri, bro. Rich Hamiri. I don't care. Rich Hamiri is mid. Rich Hamiri is mid. Rich Hamiri is so mid. Oh my god. I should have been doing people. Actually. Oh, yo, you know what? Should I go back? Cause I mean, nah. I'm not doing that. Rolling. Oh. Actually, I'm gonna put okay. I don't got nobody at bad, terrible, or worse of all time. I don't got nobody there. Don't know. Man, I don't really listen to him, but I don't do that. Okay, I'm not gonna do that to bro. You know what? I'm doing it to bro. I'm sorry. I gotta do that to bro. Skyward, huh? I mean, I wouldn't say very good. I'm gonna say good. He got room for improvement. Slump 6. Yo, actually, nah. I'll say mid. So Fago. Now. I don't care. I believe in Fago still. I still believe in Fago. Fago will make a comeback. If he just lock in and stop playing GTA RP, if he just stops playing GTA RP, he will make a comeback, bruh. His unreleased songs, the songs that got leaked, imagine if he put those on the album. They would not be bad. Like, some of his leaks are good, bruh. Like, some of y'all just be forced hating. He's not that bad. And I don't even think... I'm sorry. I don't think Pink Hearts was that bad either. I don't care. I don't even think Pink Hearts was that bad. I somewhat liked it. It wasn't better than his old music, but I still don't think it was that bad. Now, some people will not like this, but I am going to put this at near flawless. And I don't care. So Fago is talented. So Fago has to be the most talented out of the underground, like in the past, like three years. He's the most talented. Like raw talent, his voice, he actually has a nice voice. He does not taking music seriously. That's why I think he's near flawless. I don't care. And he's playing. He's playing right now too. Yours, Mr. I don't listen to no SG Kobe. I'm put okay. I don't really listen to his newer music. Summers. I started listening to Summers too as much. I'm gonna put okay though. No, Swapper. Very good. I'm put very good. He be rarely missing too. Oh, I have. Yo, is he not a like? I don't listen to him a lot, but I think I have. I seen his name. It's on my playlist. I know it is. Wait, hold on. I know. I swear I seen his name somewhere. Wait. Okay. Apparently not. I swear I. It is. I knew it. It is. It is 3 times. I know I seen his name before. I'm gonna put good. Or no, okay. I'm gonna put okay. No, 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 no. Very good. No. Oh no, don't know, don't know, don't know, don't know. Hmm. Actually, I'm gonna do good. Actually, no, I take that back. Uno, I'm gonna do very good. Yeah, they wanna be can't beat him. Do very good. Don't really listen to him. No. No, no, no. I don't listen to him either. But actually, I'm gonna say okay. I don't really listen to him though. Xavier is not bad, bruh. Xavier is not bad. I think I'm gonna put Ken up to good though. I feel like I've seen his name before. Did he make a song with Fago? I swear I've seen his name before. I think he made a song with Fago. I could be completely wrong. Yeet. Yeet is up there with GOAT. 100%. Yeet is definitely up there with GOAT. Yeah, I put JJ. I'm put good. Actually, nah, I'm not doing good. I'm gonna do okay. You know, actually, I'm gonna put him higher too. I'm gonna put Glock higher. Don't know. Young Fazo. Young Fazo. Now, his last album was tough. I'm gonna put very good. His last album was tough. I'm gonna put very good. Yo, I hope my music not too loud though. Don't listen. You know Miles, bruh. Why is he on here? Oh my god. Nah, I don't even. You know what? I'm not even gonna do that to him either, cause he was having a crazy. That stutter was crazy. He was having a crazy run at one point, but I'm not even gonna do that. He not that bad. So okay. I have no idea. No. Boom. I have one person in terrible. September's Rich. I have one person there. I definitely could have put more on the list, but I didn't think about it till after. I think this list is pretty. This list is valid. Kenny Yee at GOAT. Like, I think that's valid. Ian nearly flawless, Lone nearly flawless, Lucky. Actually, you know what? I'm putting Lucky at GOAT. Now this is valid. Now I think this is valid.